LA is burning. The California wildfires are spreading faster than ever. But is this just nature, or is something else fueling the flames? Over 100,000 acres have already burned, with thousands forced to evacuate. Experts say the fire is spreading at unprecedented speeds. But why? Some believe climate change is making these fires worse. Others claim it's poor forest management. And then, there are the conspiracy theories. Authorities say arson may be involved, with multiple suspicious fires starting at the same time. Could someone be setting these on purpose? So what do you think? Is this just another wildfire, or is there something bigger happening? Comment your thoughts below.